Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how I create my gel nails at home. I'm here to help you girls save a coin, okay? So let's just get started. So first you're going to need your UV light. This one is from Amazon. I couldn't find it on the website, so I don't think it's available. And you're going to need your base coat. This one is by IDB. And then you're going to need your polish of choice. I'm going to be using this one by ORLY called Lift the Veil. And then you're going to need your top coat. This one's also by ORLY, and I paid $12 for each. And you're also going to need a buffer, a cotton ball, and some alcohol. So first I start off by buffing my nails just to get them a little bit, just roughed up a little bit, just so that the gel can stick better and then they last a little bit longer. And then I'm going to go with my base coat, and I'm going to put a thin layer on all of my nails. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick them in the UV lamp. As you guys can see, I did not put my thumb in. You do the thumb separate because the thumb doesn't dry as well if you put it in there with the other four fingers. So I just like to put it in there by themselves. And now I'm going in with the color of my choice. I always do like baby pink colors. So again, this one's by ORLY and it's called Lift the Veil. And the key is to doing thin layers. You don't want to do really thick ones because then it just looks bad and it doesn't last as long. My nails last at least 3 weeks. And then you just stick the 4 fingers in there. And I do leave them in there for 60 seconds. And now you see me here going ahead and painting my thumb, and then I'm going to go ahead and stick my thumb in. And also leave that in there for 60 seconds as well. So now you just see me doing my second coat. I do 3 coats, but I only showed you guys 2 coats in this video. But I do 3 coats because that's where I noticed that helps last the longest. So this again lasts about 2 weeks. And not to bore you guys, but I'll just go ahead and put it back inside the UV lamp and just repeating those same steps over again. And now I'm going in with my top coat. This one's also by ORLY, and I'm just putting a thin layer on top. And you want to make sure you're painting the tips. When I first started doing my nails, I didn't paint the tips so they would chip, but make sure you get the tip of your nails as well. And then you just do the same thing, put it under the UV light for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with my alcohol and cotton ball, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe the top of my nails, because if you don't, your nails going to be really sticky and it's just not going to be cute. So you just go over it really lightly and just dust the top of the nails with the alcohol. And this is the finished product, you guys. I love doing my nails this color every week. This is like my quality time. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to let me know down below. And I hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.